Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to put Safari back on home screen in iPhone. So for this, scroll to the left, keep scrolling until you reach library. Now search for Safari. Now what we have to do, long press on Safari icon. After pressing it, long pressing it, you will find this option, add to home screen. Since it is already added in my home screen, it is not showing, but it will show you add to home screen. Now tap on add to home screen, and now Safari will be moved to your home screen, and you can move it as you like, drag it as you like. So that's it. That's how you'll add Safari in your home screen.